Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel, Child Girl. If you are new here, I am Tonia, girl, a thrift queen, lover of all the things girls. I am home from work. It is Monday, girl, and I have been starting my little prep for the trip this weekend. I told you guys I'm going to New Orleans for the weekend, so I'm home from work. I just have on my PJs. Girl, I'm comfortable, and I started my little rack over here to try to pull this together. So, whoo, girl, New Orleans this weekend. What is the weather giving? That is always the first thing I check when I'm planning for trips. Like, what's the weather going to be giving? And so right now, New Orleans is saying that, girl, we're going to have now it done changed again. Okay, so we'll be getting there Friday. And right now it's 79 is the high, 68 is the low. 45% chance of rain with possibly like a little thunderstorm situation. It's got the little thunderstorm on here. Saturday, 81, low 69, sunny. And then Sunday, 80, low 69, and it's got a 40% chance of rain and storms. So when I checked at work today, you guys, it was telling me that it was going to be a beautiful weekend. This has already changed once already. So I'm hoping that we just get sunny, sunshine or whatever. And so when I was prepping for this, I was thinking, number one, it's New Orleans, right? And if you don't do nothing else when you go to New Orleans, number one, I'm glad Mardi Gras is over with. So we'll miss, we won't be in the midst of all that. And then two, New Orleans is a walking city, right? It's not conducive for heels, for real. At least not in my opinion. I just don't feel like I'm gonna be wearing heels. I feel like we're gonna be walking. Girl, we're gonna be eating for sure. Okay, eating is happening down to the Mardi Gras. Girl, down to New Orleans. So I want comfort. And the stuff that I pulled, I think I'm gonna be a little hot, but it's not giving summer either. And I'm one of those ones, I don't let the weather play with me, right? I done had the flu. Y'all know I've been sick back to back like twice. I'm not about to let this weather play with me. And so I'm still going to be going with some layers because at night 69 feels good, but you could have something on your arms, at least for me, because y'all, I'm cold nature. If you didn't know, your girl is cold nature. So I am thinking about that. And then I don't want to do full on summer stuff because, again, I don't want to be sick. And I know me, we'll come back, girl, and it's 30 degrees. We'll come back and then wet, and then, girl, I can't do that. So let me just kind of go through what I picked so far. And we got a couple of days to iron this out. So I may come back if I think about things and decide to switch it up. Good thing is we're driving, so I don't have to worry about a luggage and overpacking and things like that. Girl, I can have 10 bags if I want. So let's just pull what I picked so far and let's go from there. So y'all, this is really not in no particular order. I have two looks, because again, it's just Friday, all day Saturday, and then travel come back Sunday. But two of the looks I could wear either day. I guess it'll just depend on my mood and vibe. So I can rotate them out. So you guys, I'm starting off with old classic pair of men's sweatpants. I thrifted these, just washed them. They're just a classic sweatpants, okay? And I love the baggy oversized. So clearly my rack is neutral. You can see, girl, it's mostly black, cream. Got a couple pops of color that I do in accessories. But I also know that with New Orleans, maybe because Mardi Gras is over, the roads won't be as nasty. But I made reservations for dinner for Saturday night, girl. The last reservation that was available was 10 o'clock that night. So I'm like, what's going on in New Orleans? And New Orleans is not bad because at 10 o'clock, girl, most people are just getting started, okay? So I figured, eat and then go hang out on Bourbon or French Court or whatever. Girl, we'll be outside. So all that to say, I don't know what's going on in New Orleans, but maybe just this restaurant is just that good. I've been once before. It's GW Finn's. I've been once before. So I know the food is good. But I also know the streets of New Orleans can be pretty nasty. So I'm not, I don't want, stuff dragging and, my feet getting nasty. Then if it decides it wants to rain, I just don't want no situations. So I'm going to bring these. And then, y'all, my top that I got recently from Unclaimed Baggage, I probably shared it, or maybe I didn't share it, but it'll be in a video or something this week. But I got this top, and it's super cute because the back is a little bit higher. It doesn't have a tag or name or anything in it, y'all, so I couldn't even look it up. But I just love that it's gonna give kind of an asymmetrical off the shoulder moment. So I grabbed this. So I'm gonna bring this to go with this, and then I'm gonna wear like a white beanie, so that kind of when it hangs off the shoulder, you know, the top will be off the shoulder. So this is option one that I planned to take. This will be also comfort, you guys, because like I said, we're driving, so you know, I want to be comfortable on the road with that. And then for bags with that, I have a couple options. So I have my cross clutch. Girl, can't even remember the name of this bag from Akira, but I'm gonna bring this bag. And because I want crossbody, I want hands-free. So as we're doing things, walking, I just want to be hands-free. So I thought about bringing this bag. And then I could do my curves tote bag. So it just depends to bring in a pop of color. I could do that bag, but it's gonna be like a gray, black, chrome day. And then for shoes with that, I'm gonna wear my, y'all know my flats I showed y'all in the last video, what's new in my closet. So I'll be wearing the Rebosi, these flats, my little tabby flats. So I'm gonna do that. And then to also add a little bit of structure to the look, y'all know my new Banana Republic belt. So y'all know I'll come back with shorts of the day, outfit of the day, and show you guys what I'm wearing. So the other good thing about this look also is I'm gonna bring some biker shorts. So if it is extremely too hot for the sweats, I also got some gray biker shorts. I'll bring the shorts and, you know, get out of that. But then also if I want to leave the pants on, I could take the top off and just wrap it around my waist. So I'm not gonna make a big fuss about it. And that way at night, you know, I can have something on my arms, throw that back on and go. So that's what I'm thinking for option one. Trust the process, okay? If it may seem a little off or odd, girl, I got you, don't worry about it. Just trust you, girl, okay? Trust me. All right, y'all, so my next option is gonna be my favorite sweatpants. Y'all know I've been wearing these down to the ground. I got these from the TikTok shop, and the brand on these, you guys, is called Shockaware. That's the brand, Shockaware. They're sold out on TikTok, so I can't link them, but the brand is, I have seen the brand on Amazon. They don't have these, because these were the balloon oversized baggy pants from the men's section, but the brand is on Amazon. And then this top, you guys, I got this top from Pretty Little Thing label. I think I thrifted this top. I can't recall, but I just love the front, and then I love the V in the front. So either a lace bra or, girl, let them just do what they do. Let them hang, okay? So cute together. And then with this look, you guys, it's definitely gonna be a pop of color. So I have this bag that I got from, y'all, I found this bag at Plato's Closet. Yep, I found this bag at Plato's Closet. It's called Vapor. I don't know how to pronounce that, but I loved the lime green with that. And so with that, I am going to rock my lime green Nike Pegasus. I got these, you guys, from TJ Maxx sometime last year. Never worn them yet, but I thought this would be a really cute pop of color. And then my curves bag, because y'all know neon green and blue is a vibe as far as color combinations. So if we're just out and about and if I wanna throw this inside of here, because this definitely needs like, you know, pouches and, you know, things to kind of help organize the bag, I can do that with that. So that is my other option. I've tried this look on, love it. It's cute, it's comfortable, it's chic, it's still giving something. But you guys, I need comfort, right? Your girl we just need comfort for New Orleans. So that is option number 2. I'm excited about this one. So let me know what you guys think. And then of course, y'all know we'll do all the accessories, the jewelry, the glasses. Girl, I have all that going on. So yeah, let me know what y'all think about that. So y'all know either one of those looks I can wear Friday, day of getting down there, or Saturday. they're both comfortable, interchangeable. I can do either one. So I told you guys we got reservations at GW Fins. I already did that for Saturday night. So what I want to wear that night, I want to do a dress. So I am going to do a dress that night. And it's going to be this dress. I got this dress from Fashion Nova sometime last year. And I can't remember if I wore this one or another one that I got as well. But I remember I wore it back in April to my best friend's bike club anniversary that weekend. So I wore this dress, but I thought about this dress, wearing it again, and then just kind of doing like some layers with it. So I'm gonna put pants on underneath this dress. And so I'm gonna pull my pants that I got from Zara. Y'all know my pleated pants. I've tried this look on as well and I love it. So I'm gonna do the pleated pants and then with the dress on top of that. And then on top of that, because it'll be at night, I'm gonna bring this Zara bomber jacket that I got from Unclaimed Baggage. I'm gonna bring that. And then for my shoes, I'm gonna go flat again. So we already have my silver flat. So I'm just gonna pull my Rebosi silver flats again with that. And then for bags, I got two options. Again, y'all know this bag from Akira. I can throw that bag on, but you guys, I did get my Marc Jacobs bag in the mail. Oh my God. I love my little clutch. She is too bomb. I love this. So for nighttime, you know, dinner, because at least with GW Fins, the men cannot wear like jeans. They need to be in a polo. They need to be in a polo top. They can't go in, you know, sweatpants, sweatshirts, baggy jeans, and nothing like that. So yeah, it'll either be that bag or this bag. So, and then the silver accessories, all of that will be the vibe for that look. And then on the rack, you guys, I also, just like I told you, I'm gonna bring my biker shorts. So I'll bring biker shorts as an option because with either of these, I can do, you know, the biker shorts with the tops that I have. And then I'm also just gonna bring this little dress just because, you know, I just wanna have one extra option in case it is super hot or too hot during the day. I'm gonna bring this dress as well. And I can wear this dress with the sneakers. So it might be the sneakers and then the vapor bag with the white and the lemon and the lime green. So this will be another option in case it's too hot and I need to come out of some layers. So that's what I'm thinking, you guys, that I'm packing for this trip. And so there was something else I wanted to share with you guys. Let me think about what that was and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so that's kind of it, okay? For 48 hours in New Orleans, what to pack. I hope I gave you some ideas, especially this time of year. Now, summertime will be a little bit different. I still would probably keep flats in rotation, sneakers in a cute flat. Some of the looks, you know, I probably would change the bottoms, probably. But, you know, I'm a pants girl. I'm a bottoms girl. You know, I like maybe some skirts, you know, flip it up, rotate it or whatever if I was going, which I'm sure this won't be the last time. We'll probably go again another time this year because I just love New Orleans and we can't do it all in 48 hours. But I did kind of want to get y'all's opinion. For those who have been to New Orleans, drop down in the comments for your girl, please, and let me know what to do, where to go, what to eat. So let me just give you really quickly some things that I've already put in my notes. So Jam Nola, that was one thing I saw. Art, immersive type of place on Frenchman Street. And then I've seen that the Omni Royal Hotel has like jazz music, lounge, all that. And then for food, okay, so Mondays, Morrow's, Bearcat, Cafe Du Monde, possibly, or we'll do Loretta's. I might do Loretta's this time. Of course, we're going to GW Fins. I've heard of Dookie Chase, a place called Willie Mae's, Cajun Seafood, Buggin' Out Boil, because I'm getting me some crawfish, that's for sure. Little Dizzy's, and Sung Chong, which is, I think they said like a Korean Cajun fusion type restaurant. That's what I put down. Okay, what else we need to be doing in New Orleans? Because every other time I've gone to New Orleans, it's been for Essence Fest. I've gone to Essence Fest, and then what else have I gone to? I've been to New Orleans on a work trip years ago. It's been years since I've done Essence Fest, and I can't remember. I did go a time in between that because my best friend's bike club, or not her bike club, but some sisters from Atlanta all went to New Orleans for a trip one year. I don't know. I can't remember if we were going to celebrate something or we just were going, but girl, we went to New Orleans, and that's been so long ago. And we did that swamp ride thing. Trying to think of what else that we do. I know we did the swamp ride thing. We were down by Cafe Du Monde in that whole little area, because there is a vendor out there by Cafe Du Monde that sells African masks. And so I definitely want to see if I can find that vendor again, because y'all know I love my mask, and I'm trying to just add to my collection, that along with African drums. I love collecting those as well. So drop that in the comments. Let your girl know what you think about my fits, what I should be preparing for taking, not taking, what to do. Girl, clock me on my list of food and things to do. So this video is going up, I hope, on Thursday, because at least y'all be able by then to drop that in the comments that night. Let me know what we need to be doing. So that's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I love you guys. I'll catch you on the next video. Bye, y'all.